Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Portfolio Update 23. Guys, in the previous update, the portfolio was still worth $142,000. But in the last 1 week, we have seen a pullback across the altcoin market. All coins have started dumping to gobbling town. Bitcoin went from as high as $24,100. Bitcoin is currently trading around $22,600. Is this the end of the relief rally? Are we going to start dumping to gobbling town? Ethereum has gone below $1,600 and the total crypto market cap is below $1 trillion. What's the next step for our portfolio? We got some profits off the table before the market started dumping to gobbling town. Our stable coins is now above $61,000. Should we start taking more profit off the table, or is it just a temporary pullback before we continue pumping to higher prices? We'll be taking a look at in-depth analysis of the portfolio and the coins that gave us the most profit. We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. We started 2023 on a very bright note. All coins have been pumping to the upside. In 2023, the total crypto market went from extreme fear to extreme greed. Right now, we're still in neutral, but any small pump in the market will take us back to that greed we have been seeing in the cryptocurrency market. On this channel, we have been accumulating deep in the bear market, expecting when greed will return to the cryptocurrency market. We were buying extreme fear when the market was in gobbling town. Right now, as we have seen the market head to greed, we took some profit off the table. Our portfolio got to as high as $154,000, and originally guys, this portfolio was around $100,000 sometime in November of 2022. From $100,000, the portfolio has steadily but surely risen to as high as $154,000, and I thought it would be smart for us to take some profits off the table. Since when we started this portfolio, the all-time profit was $42,000. Our best performer has been Bitcoin. We've gotten over $9,600 worth from Bitcoin, and SushiSwap has been our worst performer. We've lost more than $710 from SushiSwap. If you take a look at the total crypto market, guys, the total crypto market has gone below $1 trillion. We are finding difficulties blasting above that $1 trillion region. We got to as high as $1.05 trillion, and right now we're way below $1 trillion. We took some profits off the portfolio. We added some stable coins to the portfolio. We have seen the portfolio gone up and we wanted to protect our profits. Guys, that's what you want to be doing in the bear market. Yes, we're going to get some pumps along the way, but it doesn't matter how far we pump to the upside. It only matters how much money you keep when the market is dumping to gobbling town. Right now, our highest allocation in the portfolio is our stable coins. We have more than $61,000 worth of stable coins. So we still have over $80,000 in the cryptocurrency market. So if we continue pumping to higher prices, we're still going to be in the market. Our Bitcoin holdings have reduced to 1.5 Bitcoin. Our average entry for Bitcoin was around $17,000, and we've seen over a 9,000% profit in our Bitcoin purchase. We made some sales in our Bitcoin purchase. We sold some Bitcoin at $18,800. We sold 0.21 Bitcoin for $3,900, and when Bitcoin got to as high as $23,400, we sold over 7,000 worth of Bitcoin. Our profit from Bitcoin has come in around $9,600, and we've gotten more than $10,000 out of Bitcoin. We still have over $32,000 worth of Bitcoin in the portfolio. The second highest holdings in the portfolio is Ethereum. We've made over $7,800 profit worth from our Ethereum purchase. Our average buy price into Ethereum was around $1,138, and right now we still have 12 Ethereums in the portfolio. We sold 2 Ethereums at $1,300. We sold 1 Ethereum at $1,398, and we further sold 5 more Ethereums at $1,666 region. In total, Ethereum has given us over $7,800 worth of profit, and we've gotten out more than $9,000 worth of stable coins from our Ethereum position. Guys, while we're stacking more stable coins in the bear market, is that when that dip eventually comes, we'll have enough capital to go back into the market, and peradventure we'll continue pumping to higher prices. We still have over $80,000 plus of the portfolio in the market. We want to protect our capital so that when that dump eventually comes, we'll still have over $60,000 to get into the market. On our BNB purchase, we've made over $669 profit. We sold over 5 BNB at an average price of around $329. BNB is still in the portfolio. We're holding it for the long term. Guys, all the coins in this portfolio, we're going to be holding it till the end of the next bull run. So as we're making some profits on some, we're going to be keeping those profits, expecting the market to further dump to gobbling town. We're still deep in the crypto bear market. Bitcoin has just got rejected off its 200-week moving average, and that average has always been the bear market support. Right now, it's acting as bear market resistance, and so Bitcoin might dump back to the $17,000 region, maybe dump back to set new all-time lows in this bear market. We are protecting ourselves from that dump to the downside, and we're stacking stable coins anticipating that dump. Our Fed.ai has given us a lot of profits in this bear market rally. We purchased Fed.ai worth $3,000 by the 3rd of January. Guys, AI coins started pumping to the moon, and we've gotten $2,000 first, $1,200, $1,000, $1,000, and $1,600. In total, we have gotten more than $8,000 from this portfolio. Total, we have gotten more than $8,000 from our Fed.ai purchase, and we only got a total of $3,000 worth of Fed.ai. Right now in the portfolio, we still have over $2,400 worth of Fed.ai, over 6,000 Fetch.ai coins are in the portfolio. We'll still continue buying more if we see lower prices, but AI season might be coming to an end. We saw AI coins pumping to higher prices. The graph also had a huge rally in this bear market. We invested over $1,200 in the graph, and that $1,200 has given us $1,500 worth of profit, and we still have over $1,900 worth of the graph in the portfolio. We might be taking some profits on that position very soon, but right now it looks as if it still has some little pumps to the upside. Luxury has given us over $1,400. Ocean Protocol has given us $2,700. Moonbeam, ICP, VChain, Tailcoin, Moonriver, Jasmine Coin. The whole portfolio is in profit. That's what's happening when you see a rally to the upside. But guys, let's not get carried away by this rally. Let's not get carried away by these little profits we're seeing. We're going for the big profits we'll get to by the end of the next bull run. But surely managing the portfolio. Right now, the allocation in the portfolio is 42% in stable coins, 22.5% in Bitcoin, and other coins in the portfolio represent 30.15%. If you take a look at the king of all coins in the market, Ethereum, currently below $1,600. The reason why we started selling some of our Ethereum when we got to $1,600 was this was a very pivotal region for Ethereum in the past, and we're seeing Ethereum having difficulties blast above that $1,600, and that's why we sold some Ethereum just to get some profits off the table, so that if Ethereum continues dumping to gobbling town, we can buy more. Remember guys, we were buying when the market was in extreme fear, when people were thinking we're going to continue dumping to gobbling town. For example, our Ethereum average purchase was around $1,138, and if you go and take a look at where that is it on the Ethereum US dollar price chart, you saw that we were buying it when we were down in gobbling town. So even now that Ethereum is dumping, we are still in profit. Our Ethereum purchase is still up more than 34%. For Bitcoin, our average entry was around the $17,000 region. So even at $21,000, we're still in profit, but we're getting some stable coins out of the market, because this game we're playing is token versus US dollars. When the market is pumping, you want to get as much dollars as possible. When the market is dumping, you want to get as much tokens as possible. And if you take a look at the progression the portfolio has gone through in the last 30 days, we have seen the portfolio sitting around $117,000 on the 13th of January 2023. Surely but surely, the portfolio has been grinding to higher prices, $135,000, $141,000. We got to a new all-time high of $154,000. Right now, I've seen a pullback in the altcoin market that's taking the portfolio down back to $144,000. And guys, the reason why this portfolio didn't dump harder than that was because we are already taking some profits off the table. We only had around $80,000 worth of cryptocurrency in the market, so the dump didn't really affect us. I don't think this is the end of the relief rally. If you take a look at the total crypto market cap below $1 trillion, I'll be watching and seeing whether we can rally our way back to the $1.5 trillion region. If that happens, we might just see the total crypto market cap go up 56%. If you take a look at the altcoin season index, it's telling us right now we're not in an altcoin month. We've got on a yearly time frame, we are currently not in an altcoin year. But this is why we're accumulating more altcoins, getting ready for the next bull run. Anytime you see the altcoin year indicator showing us we're around Bitcoin year, you want to be accumulating altcoins, and anytime it flips to altcoin year, that's the time to start running back into Bitcoin. If you take a look at the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have seen it get stuck below that FTX high. Before the FTX collapse, we saw the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, get to around $408 billion. But in this bear market relief rally, we could only go to as high as $389 billion. So maybe, just maybe, we can rally our way back to the $500 billion region. But right now, we're currently having a pullback. And if the pullback continues to the downside, we might continue accumulating these altcoins in the bear market. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell us, which altcoins do you want us to add to this model portfolio? Which altcoin do you think is going to be profitable long term that we're going to be holding till the end of the next bull run? A lot of altcoins we had in the portfolio had some gains. If you take a look at the stablecoin transactions we've had, we have been cashing out a lot of gains in this bear market rally, getting ready for when the next dip is going to occur. We have risen our stablecoin balance in the portfolio to more than 40% of the portfolio. Guys, tell me in the comment section, do you think Bitcoin is going to set new lows in this bear market? Are we going to have another opportunity to buy Bitcoin around the $17,000 region? Or are we going to continue pumping to higher prices? Which other altcoin do you think will make this portfolio better on the long term? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. If you want to see other updates of the portfolio, you can check the channel, subscribe. There's a playlist for all the other updates we have made to the portfolio. You can see the progression of the portfolio from when it was made to how high it has gotten to right now. We still expect it to continue pumping to higher prices. See you guys in my next video.